The sound of a kiss we stole from the night. The self-rushing heartbeats of love at first sight.
It's all too strange.